Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'm going to show you how to disable background apps in Windows. Disabling these apps can help improve your computer's performance and extend battery life. First, open Settings or press Windows plus I button on your keyboard. It will open the Settings app of your PC. So normally you can open it by going to the Start menu and selecting the Settings. It's your choice. Once you are in Settings, click on Privacy. Next, on the left sidebar, scroll down and find Background Apps. Select that option. And now if you want to stop all background apps from running, toggle up Let apps run in the background. If you would prefer to disable specific apps only, scroll down and toggle off the individual apps you don't want running in the background. Finally, just close the settings window and your changes will be automatically saved. Disabling background apps helps your system use less memory and CPU, giving you a faster and smoother experience, especially during tasks like multitasking or gaming. And that's it, you have learned how to disable background apps in Windows. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more quick tech solutions. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Allah Hafiz.